KOHO Cash in a Pinch, Daily Withdrawal Limits Explained. Need some quick cash? Maybe you forgot your wallet at the gym, or that spontaneous weekend getaway turned a little less spontaneous and a little more stranded without funds. We've all been there. But if you're a KOHO user, fear not. KOHO's got your back and your emergency cash needs covered. But how much exactly can you withdraw in a pinch? Context and KOHO account types. Before we dive into those withdrawal limits, let's take a quick step back. KOHO offers a few different account types, each with its own set of perks. There's the Essential account, which is totally free and a great way to dip your toes into the KOHO world. Then there's Extra and Everything. They're paid plans that come with some additional features like higher earning potential and travel insurance. The withdrawal limits we're talking about today apply to all KOHO accounts, but there are a couple of other things to keep in mind depending on your plan. For instance, with Extra and Everything, you get one free withdrawal at a non-Canadian ATM every month. That's pretty handy if you're globetrotting on a budget. The daily ATM withdrawal limit. Alright, enough with the preamble, let's get down to brass tacks. The big question, how much can you pull out of that ATM with your trusty KOHO card? The answer is, wait for it, $1,010 per day. That's a pretty decent chunk of change, and it should be enough to handle most unexpected situations. KOHO Cover, your cash advance lifeline. But what if $1,010 isn't quite enough? Let's say your car needs a surprise repair, or that concert ticket you snagged requires some immediate action. Here's where KOHO Cover comes in. KOHO Cover is basically a safety net you can opt into for a monthly fee. With Cover, you can access a cash advance of up to $250, depending on your eligibility. Here's the best part, there's no interest charged on those advanced funds. You simply pay back what you borrow, plus a small monthly fee to keep Cover active. It's a great option to have in your back pocket for those true emergencies. Important reminders and additional limits. Now, a couple of things to remember. This daily withdrawal limit applies to all ATM withdrawals, both domestic and international. However, keep in mind that international ATM withdrawals often come with additional fees charged by the ATM operator themselves, on top of any potential KOHO fees depending on your plan. KOHO also has some other transaction limits, like a daily spending limit of $9,000 for point-of-sale purchases. You can find a full breakdown of all these limits on the KOHO website, KOHO Account Velocity Limits. KOHO app, manage your money on the go. The KOHO app is your one-stop shop for managing your money. You can check your balance, track your spending, and even deposit checks, all from the palm of your hand. Plus, if you ever need to find an ATM near you, the KOHO app can help you locate one quickly and easily. KOHO, a smart choice for managing your cash flow. So, there you have it. With KOHO's daily withdrawal limit of $1,010 and the option for a KOHO Cover cash advance, you'll have some peace of mind knowing you can access your cash when you need it most. KOHO is a great option for anyone who wants a convenient and flexible way to manage their finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.